This tutorial video is designed to accompany the worksheet for lesson 36 of Learn Your Scales and Arpeggios for Saxophone, which provides instruction to help you learn the D-flat C-sharp sequence of major and minor scales and arpeggios. It is important that you follow all the instructions on the worksheet for this lesson, which contains exercises and guidance regarding the use of appropriate alternative fingerings. This video will not cover all that is required by itself. The fifth flat in the key signature is G flat, the enharmonic equivalent of F sharp. Once again, the note below G flat is F natural, so you should use the alternative fingerings for G flat in both octaves. Because there's no G natural, you can take advantage of the articulated G sharp A flat mechanism and press this key as you cross into the upper octave. On most modern saxophones, you can further simplify the scale by using the bottom D flat key for A flat, holding this down to the bottom of the scale. You should apply your chosen fingerings in exercise 76, which is for the scale of D flat major. As in the arpeggio of C sharp minor, you can use the D flat key for A flat in the arpeggio, simplifying the movement of the left hand. Once again, you will have to go through an enharmonic change when adapting D flat major to play C sharp minor, but the harmonic minor should be familiar to you. Exercise 77 gives you the opportunity to revise this scale. Exercise 78 is for C sharp melodic minor. Here is the D flat C sharp sequence. Be sure to complete all of Practice Plan 36 meticulously before you move on to Lesson 37. You should still be ticking all the boxes marked Done as you go, as this is your record of what you have completed.